Hi, you're watching Tech Bistro, and today we'll be talking about an amazing AI tool called Pictory. So, as you can see, Pictory allows you to start your free trial without any credit card requirement. That's a very good thing. Then you can log in through your Google account or any other account which you use for logging into different websites. As you log into Pictory, you will get your personal workspace in your free trial. Your free trial ends in 10 days, and you need to upgrade to unlock premium features and keep creating AI videos. Well, there are three options, three tabs: Home, Projects, and Brand Kit. This is what you get in your Home tab, where there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 options available. You get a recent projects tab over here. Next, you can discover. Get started with quick start video tutorial. You can make better videos with tips and tricks which the Pictory provides for free. There is also a chat option where you get Pictory support 24/7, and you can ask any questions related to your account. Then you can create your own team or collaborate with teams. Also, you have an affiliate option here which you can use and become an affiliate partner. There's also a subscription option where you can upgrade your plan, and you get all the plans here. The starter package is ideal for creators beginning their video journey. It's just $19 per month and it's billed annually. Best for the single user, and here's a buy tab over here. Then what this package includes, there's a multilingual standard AI voices, unlimited access to 2 million plus royal-free videos from Storyblogs, basic AI features. Second option is the professional package, which is considered as best value for money by Pictory itself. It's perfect for video creators needing professional quality results, and it's $39 per month, which is also billed annually. And here you get an option to increase your number of videos, and then the price also increases, as you can see. It's also best for single user. 120 minutes per month of multilingual hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 Labs. I don't need to explain 11 Labs. I will make a video on 11 Labs for all of you, whoever needs to know what 11 Labs is. Unlimited access to 10 million plus royal-free premium videos from Getty Images. Advanced AI features include automatic synchronization of uploaded voiceovers, video summarization of long videos. Then there's the third package, which is teams, and if you have a small team, you can collaborate. You can increase your team members over here. You have 2 teams, 3 team members, 4 team members, and 5 team members, or the maximum is 5 team members option. It's $99 per month, also billed annually. It's the smart choice for easy team-based collaborative video creation. Here also you can increase your video number of videos per month, and your price increases along with it. You have 240 minutes of multilingual hyper-realistic AI voices from 11 Labs. Sharing and collaboration is included. The last but not the least is the enterprise package, which is scale your videos production across multiple teams. And then here you need to discuss with their team. You need to have a contract, and so it's written. Let's talk. The customized video minutes. 5 plus users, that means more than 5 users, and what's included is onboarding and training, video consulting, priority support, dedicated account manager. So this is the professional, highly professional, best for enterprises, this package. So do check this out. Then if you move on, add-ons are boost your plan. When you add on these premium features, you get stock visuals only for $10 per month, unlimited use, and you can also include 11 Labs premium AI voices, which is also $10 per month for 60 minutes. Pictory's best-in-class video platform comes packed with powerful features, which include convert script, blogs, and web pages to videos. So you need to type in your blog, type in your script, or give your URL of the blog or the web page, and it converts to video. Automatically transcribe and caption videos, generate conversational AI voiceovers, edit video recordings with text and create highlights, access millions of stock videos and images, repurpose video for multiple platforms for you. Now, if you compare the plans, here they have a comprehensive comparison of the plans, which is the free trial, starter, professional, and teams package. Here you have generated video from script or URL. How many videos you can generate, number of videos per minute. This is 15 minutes for the free trial, 200 minutes per month for starter, 600 minutes per month for professional, and 1800 minutes per month for the teams. Maximum video length is 5 minutes for the free trial. Starter is 30 minutes, professional is 30 minutes, and teams is 30 minutes. Number of videos you can create in free trial is 3, and Pictory branding, that is the logo, will be included in the free trial when you download the video. I'll show you how the video is in the end of my video. I've made one video for you, and I've also uploaded that same video in my channel, so you can go and watch it, watch the complete video. The Pictory branding is not included in the starter, professional, or teams package. That is when you buy the package, it won't be there, and that's the plus point. Well, video transcription minutes. Video transcription minutes are in the free trial it's 15 minutes, then 200 minutes per month for the starter package. Professional is 600 minutes per month, and teams is 1800 minutes per month. Maximum video length includes 15 minutes for the free trial, 60 minutes for the starter package, 180 minutes for the professional, and teams include 180 minutes. Maximum video file size is 1 GB for the free trial, 1 GB for the starter package, 5 GB for professional, and 5 GB for the teams. Automatic subtitles, all of them included automatic subtitles. Automatic video highlights are not included in the starter package, but luckily are included in the free trial. Add B-roll. Well, what is add B-roll? So we'll just discuss it a little later. It's included in all. Export subtitles, if you want to export them in .srt, .vtt, or .text files, it's included in all of them. Then a number of slides include 50 slides, 100 slides per month, 300 slides per month, and 900 slides per month for each package. If you go for maximum custom brands, so you can include 1 brand in the free trial, 1 brand in the starter package, 5 brands in your professional package, and teams can include 10 custom brand kits. These are the places where the premium videos and images are from. Premium music track, so it's the same for the starter and the free trial. Then you have 15,000 for the professional and 15,000 for the teams. Upload your own music tracks. So free trial has the option, but starter doesn't have this option. Then professional and teams have this option. Trimming video, all of them include this option. Standard AI voices, all of them include this option. Hyper realistic AI voices from 11 Labs. So free trial includes this option for 5 minutes, but starter doesn't. Then we have record and upload voiceover scenes by scenes. So you have this package, you have this option in all 3 of them. Upload voiceover automatically sync to videos. It's not included in the starter package. So after looking, you can go scroll down, and again you can see the maximum resolution, the landscape portrait options, and email support, priority support. So all of this is included over here. So this is a comprehensive comparison of all the plans which are available on Pictory. Free trial is a better option, but it just includes number of 3 videos and are only 3, and in starter package it's unlimited. So if you can voice over yourself, starter package is good, but if for a free trial is also a good option if you just want to check out how Pictory performs. So I really like this website, and it makes great videos just on a click. So I would say have a look and go for it. With the text to video option, you can transform your script into engaging videos. With the URL to video option, transform your URLs into engaging videos. With AI Video Editor, add captions and branding to your video recordings, remove filter words and silences, create a video summary, and dozens of short clips. Images to video. You can create slideshow videos with your images and video clips. And then presentation to video. You can upload your PPTs or decks and let Pictory AI convert them into stunning video. Finally, you can record yourself or your screen and easily edit that video using text to add captions and branding, remove filter words and silences, and to generate dozens of short highlighted clips. So guys, I will demonstrate in front of you how to use Pictory's URL to video editor right now. Well, so I hop on to artificialintelligencenews.com and I found an amazing article called Best Data Security Platforms in 2025. We'll use this article to make our video. So I've copied the URL and I paste it here. I choose the explainer videos since it is going to explain to us how what are the best data security platforms of 2025. Now let's generate the script. Well, wait a second, we can select the platform here. So I need to choose YouTube and I want the video length to be greater than 5 minutes. So now let's generate the script. Pictory is crafting your story, and here it is. The script is ready, and the estimated time duration is 4 minutes and 8 seconds. It has automatically selected our desired YouTube template or the screen size, and then now we can generate the video. We choose all the options here. We let them open, like create scenes and sentences, create scenes and line breaks, highlight keywords with AI, and we generate. So guys, our video is ready in just a few seconds. The video is divided into scenes. You can see multiple scenes here. Scene 1, scene 2, scene 3, and I see around 38 scenes. The video duration is 4 minutes and 54 seconds. It's in landscape form. The scene duration is 8.5 seconds. And now we can preview the scene over here. Also, you can see the transcript here. So, isn't that just amazing? Let's have a preview. So this was one of the scenes. Let's go to the side tabs and see what options do we have here. The first one is story, and you can see all the scenes here which are used in the video. Now we go to visuals, and here we see the comprehensive library of Pictory which we earlier discussed. Then we have the background textures which we can use. You can even upload your own files, your own pictures, or your stock images, and you can apply them here. Let's go to audio. So we have some premium voices here, around 73, which you can use in free trial as well. So let's select female voice. Let's try to apply it. Okay, so we go to the story tab and go to Downloads. As I told you before, since this is a free trial, our video will be downloaded with a watermark. Let's download it. Step 1 is pre-processing the audio. Step 2 is generate video. Once it's complete, you will have it in your downloads. Congratulations! Your video is now ready to download.
In a world where data generation and sharing are rapidly increasing, security is more critical than ever. Data breaches and cyber attacks pose constant risks. Organizations need sophisticated tools to protect sensitive information.
So guys, I hope you liked this video. You can watch this complete video on our channel. Thanks for watching everyone. If you're looking to spice up your wardrobe or personalize your space, check out MAC colors on Redbubble. From sleek tees and bold shirts that appeal to all the geeky friends, MAC Colors is a vibrant store offering a diverse collection of designs. Everything is printed on mid-weight, 100% cotton tees that boast great quality, a smooth feel, and are fully backed by Redbubble's easy return policy. And hey, it's not just tees here. There are hoodies, stickers, posters, phone cases, and much more. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. You're watching Tech Bistro, your go-to hub for all things tech. See you next time.